Hey guys, it's Ray J, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some fan mail. Alright, so if you've been watching my channel, you would have noticed that myself and Ryan uploaded a video titled Welcome to my studio tour. So in this video we showcased our studio, and we did mention this particular whiteboard where we have no ideas on. So we did actually ask, well Ryan specifically, whereon then I chipped in, we asked if we could have some pens and whatnot sent to us because we have nothing for it. To mine and Ryan's surprise, we actually did get some stuff. And here's one of them. A pack of pens, look at that. They are 4 pens of different colours. We've got black, we have green, we've got red, and we have blue. So they look pretty good as well. They're made by Stadler, I think that's how you pronounce them. Always remember these from school, they're pretty good. So yeah, that's one of the items. And before I open the rest, I just want to say a thank you to the guy who sent them. He is Dave Holmes. Dave Holmes. So before I open the rest of these things that we've got sent, I just want to say a thank you to Dave Holmes, who actually had sent these things across to us. So cheers man, appreciate it. Alright, so next we have an eraser for the whiteboard, and this is a magnetic one as well. Called by Office, the magnetic eraser. Check that out. Again, we don't have a whiteboard to try this on at the moment in time, but maybe in the future this will get some use, I'm sure. Covered in pen marks. Alright, that's one of those done. Where's the next one? Okay, so Ryan is about to switch sides. No. Okay, so Ryan is about to Alright, so I'm going to pass you over to Ryan now for something he had specifically requested. So let's find out what that was.
So, I have the Zyxgab.
The Zyxgab.
Zyxgab.
It's a German infection called the Zyxgabs.
Thank you Dave Holmes for this thing that I requested. Turns out it's called the Zyxstabber. Or something along the lines of that. It's a German pointy thing. I guess it would have a real name. If you want to mention in the comments what it's actually called, that'd be great. But it's 64 centimeters, made of stainless steel, good plastic actually. It's got a little, what do you call this? That thing? Well, you know what. But anyway, I thought I'd get this just to keep people in check. Which is fair enough, isn't it? Okay. Do you want to walk off and I can slap you with this?
Yeah, if you want. So thanks again to Dave Holmes for sending us these goodies. And this has been a Ray J. If you want to like this video, go ahead and like it. Dave, maybe drop a comment. You can all spam him afterwards as well. And yeah, subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of content. It's been a Ray J. Laters!
And I've been Ryan from Red Bear and Honey Bear, and I'm going to keep Jordan in check right now.
Oh, hell no.
So off you go, Jordan.
Oh no, I'm going to get hit. Ah!
Thanks for watching.
Alright, if you actually want to see that these are real pens, they are, they're not fake, they're not something dodgy. There they go, they actually should work. We don't have the whiteboard with us right now because we're recording somewhere else,